Here's a fun card I made using page 90 of Stampin' Up's annual catalog as my inspiration piece. Now, the inspiration had strips of paper on it and also used an embossing folder, so that's what I did for my card. So as you see, I chose to use strips of paper, kind of making sort of an ombre effect type look. And I glued all the little strips of paper off, and then I trimmed my base there, and then I put it through the beautiful new Sunflower 3D embossing folder. Look at that folder. I love it. You should definitely grab it before it goes out of stock for fall. And what I did after I embossed it is I used my white craft pad and just kind of lightly drug it across the piece, and look how it accents those embossed pieces. It is absolutely beautiful. So you can do this a lot of different ways with a lot of different colors, but I just wanted to keep this a little bit light, so I used white, and then I layered it onto a white card base. Now, since I just used a folder, I had to pull in another stamp set that has a matching punch for it for my sentiment, and then I just layered that up with a few ribbons and some gems. So I will have all of the details for you on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com. And that will be on there for you if you search for the sunflower folder. Thanks so much for being here. Madetocreatewithlisa.com.